taking video of this building and picture of this building, so I figured I'd probably include it in the video, huh? Ah, that thing's tall. Rolling out, little gas stop this morning. We got the Huracan Evo Celebration Edition, which is pretty sweet. This is paint. Wild. Rolling out with the crew. What? Dude, this is the key for the bathroom they gave us. Isn't this nuts? The Mobile Super 10W30. That's a key. The key to the city in New York City, as they say. We're in New Jersey right now?
So. Yeah, we are in New Jersey right now.
Oh, wild. Doors up on the venti. Let's go. All right, now that we got a second to breathe, we're headed to some other place in New Jersey. We got a lot of people taking videos and pictures of us, which is super fun. Ha ha ha. Boogieing out of New Jersey. We are like right on Jersey Shore, ladies and gents. I can literally hear the Aventador right now. It is under us. This is a pane of glass, and you can hear it. The rumble. There we are, Mr. Eric finally made it. Yo, the Aventador and the Ferrari? That's crazy. We have quite the treat for you today, because I was gifted the keys to the venti. Got the lineup, the whole crew. Good morning, Atlantic City.
How do you open the door?
There's a handle, or it's a little button right here. Perfect, here we are. All right, let's go windows down. This car is insane sounding. Evan just texted me, he said that car is shaking the hotel. Jeez. This is insane. I'm a big fan. All right, now we just gotta find out what to do with the front lip. Where's the lip? I'm gonna put the lip up. Let's see. All right, while we're in the parking garage. Wow! I'm just giggling like a child. That noise right there is my favorite noise in the world. Oh my God! Do you hear that? Jeez, this is crazy. Absurd. Just the downshifts in this car, everything sounds like you are going fast when you're just going city speeds. It's wild. Oh my God. I don't think I can get used to this. Like, you usually get used to most cars. This is just an animal. This is my favorite car I've ever driven in my life. Like, the Huracan is easy to drive. This thing is a little menacing, but it's fun. Doors up, baby. Oh, wait, I gotta keep that receipt. That's an important one. Jeez, that was fun. Well, that was my dream car experience. That's nuts. I mean, wow. bit speechless, I'll be honest. All right, let's get out of this thing. Which you do, by the way. You gotta do this and pull up. And then your door will release. How fun.
Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap. I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks. Listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast. Don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.